I just ordered Stitch Fix. This is my unboxing of it. Hi Shawnee, welcome to the Stitch Fix family. I totally understand that you are on the lookout for office wear. So for the first fix, that is what I really focused on. So and then it's got like a really nice sticker, a return envelope for anything I don't want. So this part of it, this is a good experience. This is like a dress. That's super cute. Another blouse, which is really kind of needing some blouses, so that's good. And then a jacket, which it's really heavy, like that is really nice, nicely made. Some pants, I really like those too. These are like really soft. At the bottom, those are cute. Yeah, I'm gonna have to try those on.